What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video guys I'll be teaching you how to make like a talking application where you can talk with your friends without it's free and you just need internet connection, and there's gonna be a little lag. It's like you can unmute yourself, you can mute yourself with something like that. So yeah guys, let's begin. It's very simple application. Okay, so first guys, we just need to put a Firebase database, and okay, and notifier, um, notifier, and you need to put two players, and the one sound recorder, a cloud DB, and I think you need a timer as well. Yeah, I'll just search timer. Or the clock. So yeah, this you can see time enabled. You have to disable it and make this 100. Okay, and I guess that's it. Okay, so guys, now what we need is we need to put a layout, a vertical arrangement. Keep the width as fill parent as well as the height, both should be fill parent, and you need to use the switch, and let's keep the width as fill parent. 20, and the text should be unmute. Okay, let's keep the font size as 40 bold, and sorry, it's not unmute, it should be unmuted. And let's keep the background color as blue and the text color as white. Okay, just like that. And let's rename it as frame. Or like let's rename it as mute and unmute. Okay, so yeah, now we just have to make this visible off. Then you need to put another vertical arrangement. Okay, you need to put another vertical arrangement over here guys, like this. Keep the width and the height as fill parent, and yeah, you need to put a text box like this. I'm gonna make this center. This should be top, yeah, like this. The font size can be 20. Let the font be bold. This should be this is the channel name, and then you need to put a button over here. So okay, so I'm sorry for the disturbance in case if any. So the height and the width both, just keep it as 5%. Yeah, this much space should be good. And yeah, let's rename this button to start. Keep the font bold 20. Okay, so here we have done this part, which is the this is basically gonna act as a phone number. Okay, so it's gonna basically act as a phone number. You can just type any kind of channel, like let's keep it as channel name over here. Okay, so this should be visible. Okay, to put a label as well, which should not be visible. Yeah, this label, it should not be visible. So yeah, when text box one, okay, let's do it. When button one dot click, let's do it one by one. Okay, I just had done it because it's gonna save some time. If you need to just get this in the knot, when you go to logic you'll get this knot, right? So yeah, you need to put another if then block over here, and then you need to put this like greater than thing. You need to type 10 and here the text box one dot text, and then you need to put set screen one dot title. Okay, no, this is not needed, I guess. Let's remove this. This is not needed. I don't know why I had put this. Yeah, now select this set text box one dot text to nothing, and then call this basically the Firebase database one. Tag should be title. Value to store should be screen one. It's not screen one dot title. Wait, 1 second. Yeah, let this be. Okay, screen one dot title to text box one dot text. Yeah, this was needed. I thought it was the other one. I'm sorry. And you just need to put this, select text box one dot text to this, and then the Firebase database to this. And yeah, one more thing, in this Firebase database one, this Firebase URL, it should be use default. Make sure you have checked this, it's very important. And then the channel name visible to false, and this mute and unmute visible to true. Then call this notifier one, show alert, notice, welcome, and wait for a second. You just have to rename a player one to entry, and another one should be run, and then in the entry I'll just have to upload a file, ring sound. So I have uploaded a file over here. It's just a simple sound, it's just called simple sound. Okay, and entry, start, and then I'm sorry, then you need to put is another if then, and okay, and this length, you can see the same thing as over here, text box, but here this one is, it's showing this 10 greater, and this one it should be length, and here you just need to type 9. Call notifier one, it should be less than 10 characters. Okay, it should be less than 10 characters, and then call this run, vibrate, just needs to vibrate. Call screen one, hide keyboard, you'll get it all this in this part, screen one. All right, yeah, here we have done this stuff. Now the next thing is oops, where did this come? Okay, the next step is this, when clock one dot timer, set this label one dot text to label one dot text plus 1, and you just need to add another if. When label one dot